Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I want to give a speech about applying the values of learning characters in daily life. First of all, I would like to thank the principal of SMP and SMA Pribadi Bandung School and all teachers who are attending this meaningful event, and also from those who don't know to know, or it is the process of maturing oneself through learning or training. While character, it is a trait, behavior, context is more positive, it's not neutral and not negative. So this means the traits in the context of character here are good traits. From there, we know that character education is an effort made to give a positive attitude identity to individuals or groups. So far, we know the character education of schools, right? Of course, yes. Schools did introduce character education in an effort to achieve national education goals. Did you know before that character education can also be carried out in daily life? But how? First, pray together 5 times with your family. In fact, to cultivate religious character values, it actually doesn't always have to be carried out in schools. It can be done at home by inviting father, mother, and all the children to pray 5 times in congregation can also teach religious values. Parents who are willing to spend this time together praying with their families will set a great example for the children. They will be comfortable and will automatically imitate every value contained in a congregational prayer activity. Second, communicate and tell the truth among the family members. In daily life, a person can commit acts of lying. Lies usually happen to protect yourself from getting scolded, to make yourself happy, and various other reasons. Even children, they also can lie as well. Usually, it happens when they feel scared. They are afraid to tell the truth for fear of being scolded, and so on. This habit is absolutely not good. The attitude of lying will exist in the children if it is not resolved immediately. For this reason, parents should have fun communication with their children. Fun communication is a style that doesn't make children feel stressed and afraid. With pleasant communication, parents can make the children always tell the truth. Even if they make any mistakes, they will tell the parents that they are wrong, and it is to us the blind responsibility. That is the condition after the children realize their mistake, and they will run the consequences of the mistake that has been done or be responsible. Third, socialize with many people from various different backgrounds. We all know Indonesia is a diverse country with a wide variety of ethnicities, religions, and cultures. And these differences must not become weaknesses that will scatter our country. On the contrary, with differences, there will be a whole country that is strong and complementary. In daily life, the opportunity to socialize with a variety of individuals with different backgrounds can foster a value of tolerance. Therefore, socialization is not good to be limited, especially restrictions based on interracial. Fourth, we have to learn to do each of our tasks. In daily life, we have respective duties, whether as schoolwork, household chores, such as cleaning the bed, washing our own shoes, eating ourselves, and the other more. We have to do each of our tasks independently. It can foster the character of discipline. Therefore, it is important in daily life for us to do each of our tasks independently, so that our discipline will be formed from an early age. So those are some examples of character education in daily life. It turns out that it can be easily applied. From there, we know that in fact, character education cannot only be done in schools and carried out by teachers only. Parents, friends, society can also play a role in providing character education for other individuals. That's all from me. I apologize if there are any mistakes or wrong words from me. Thank you for having me in this great time. And thank you so much, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.